Ruby Princess cruise footage of crash into Pier 27, San Francisco. This video shows a time-lapse of the cruise ship maneuvering into the port, ultimately leading to the crash incident. You can visibly observe the damage on the ship. After the impact, the ship sustained a puncture hole, and the dock was also damaged. Ruby Princess was repaired within 3 days, and is now back to sailing in Alaska.
Like and subscribe to this channel for more videos.
Be sure to check out our other videos for more incredible content and adventures.